What's up guys, today's video is on the best cat brush for shedding. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Number 1. Maxpower Planet Pet Grooming Brush. The brush comes with dual-headed design that has an initial 9-tooth on one hand to eliminate hair and tangles. There are 17 teeth on reverse side to help with shedding and thinning of hair that is loose. The sharpened blades cut through the toughest mats, making grooming significantly more efficient. Additionally, it reduces the amount of shed through regular brushing by taking away excess dead hair from the undercoat of your pet, leaving you with a tidy and hair-free house. Start with the 9-teeth side to tackle mats and tangles. Then complete with 17 teeth for thinning and shed. Number 2. Hessery Cat Soft Shedding Brush. This cat brush is of high-end quality. It has a stainless steel needle that has 60-degree bend, as well as elasticity, which can help protect knotted hair from damage when grooming or brushing. Furthermore, it will not pull your pet's hair or cause harm, so your pet will be comfortable and at ease with these bristles. Additionally, it has skin-friendly beads at the ends of the bristles to protect the skin of your pet without causing any kind of skin damage. The hygienic cat and dog brushes use a technique of tying loose hair using tiny needles instead of cutting the hair with a pull. Based on customer reviews on the market, this cat brush that sheds is rated 4.3 out of 5 stars. Number 3. Self-Cleaning Slicker Brushes for Pet. This self-cleaning slicker not only saves you time when grooming, but also prevents injuries to your cat's skin and fingers. It's anti-static and, as such, can be used in any season. With this brush, you will be able to stop loose hair from forming, so it won't wander around your house or adhere to your clothes and furniture. This will keep your cat comfortable and content, which is a win for you and your cat. The ergonomic handle has an ergonomic grip made of silicone which is comfortable to use and can provide a better experience for both you as well as your pet. Based on customer reviews on the market, this cat brush that sheds is rated 4.3 out of 5 stars. Number 4. Petgal Cat Brush and Comb for Shedding. The blade of this grooming tool for pets is specifically designed to suit long-haired as well as short-haired cats, especially those with hair from 1.2 inches up to 2.8 inches. This ergonomically designed handle offers the user with comfort and convenience, which makes grooming enjoyable for the pet and you. The handles are made using TPE and PP, considered environmentally friendly materials. They perform better than silicone-based products. The brand has the 2.5 version that is especially for use with small to medium-size pets and a 4 version, which is more suitable for huge and large pets. Based on customer reviews on the market, the Hessery cat brush is rated 4.3 out of 5 stars. Number 5. Hertzko Self-Cleaning Slicker Brush. The product was designed to ensure your comfort and that of your pet in your mind. It has flexible bristles that are coupled with an ergonomic handle that will give your pet a relaxed and pleasurable experience. This is not only appropriate for dogs and cats, it is also suitable for all pets. It gets rid of dirt, oils as well as dander and skin flake that could result in various skin conditions. The bristles are soft and aid your pet to rest during grooming. Reduces shed, detangles and eliminates dirt and debris. It also helps keep the hair looking healthy and shiny. Based on reviews from customers who purchased it, this cat brush that sheds has a score of 4.5 out of 5 stars. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. See you guys later.